dive into the ocean, the amazing world of stingrays. Hello, young explorers. Welcome to another exciting underwater adventure. Today, we're going to dive deep into the ocean and discover the incredible world of stingrays. Are you ready? Let's go! Meet the stingrays. Meet our amazing friends, the stingrays. These captivating creatures can be found gliding gracefully through the oceans all around the world. Stingrays come in various shapes and sizes, from small to quite large. They have a unique flat body, which makes them look like they're flying through the water. Amazing abilities. Now let's take a closer look at their incredible features. Stingrays have a flat body with pectoral fins, which are the large wings you see on their sides. These fins help them glide through the water with ease. Can you imagine flying underwater like a stingray? Stingrays camouflage. Stingrays are not just fantastic swimmers, they are also expert camouflagers. They can hide in the sand, using their colouring and patterns to blend in seamlessly with the ocean floor. It's like they have a superpower, becoming invisible to predators. Fun fact. Here's a fun fact for you, ocean explorers. Stingrays are relatives of sharks. They belong to the same family called Elasmobranchs. Isn't it cool that they're part of the same family? Sharks and stingrays share some common characteristics, but they each have their own distinctive charm. Conclusion. Well, that wraps up our underwater adventure into the world of stingrays. I hope you had as much fun as I did exploring the ocean with these incredible creatures. Until next time, happy exploring, little marine biologists. Subscribe for more educational adventures.